What's the meaning of anklet? Anklet. 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 Anklet.
An anklet is a decorative piece of jewelry worn around the ankle. It can be made of various materials, including gold, silver, beads, and charms. Anklets have been worn by women in many cultures for thousands of years and are commonly associated with barefoot or sandal-wearing occasions. They come in a variety of styles, from simple and delicate to bold and elaborate, and can be adorned with gems, shells, bells, or intricate designs. Anklets can also hold cultural significance and be part of traditional dress and ceremonies.